Science and spirituality are two approaches to understanding the world, and they have often been considered as polar opposites. Spirituality is commonly linked with religion, but its scope extends beyond that. Whatever form it takes, spirituality is about connecting with something beyond the material world. On the other hand, science is a systematic approach to understanding the natural world. It has led to countless technological advances and has transformed the way we live our lives. Now let us understand how are science and spirituality related. Science focuses on facts, while spirituality is based on belief and faith. This is how. 1. Exploring the unknown. Spirituality and science both admit that there are many things we do not know. Science recognizes that our understanding of the natural world is constantly evolving, and that there is much that we have yet to discover. Spirituality acknowledges that there are mysteries beyond our understanding, and that there may be aspects of the world that are beyond our comprehension. 2. Understanding the world. Science uses observation and experimentation to try to understand the natural world. Spirituality, on the other hand, looks into its spiritual and metaphysical aspects to understand the natural world. 3. Establishing surprise and amazement. Spirituality may give us a sense of interconnectedness to something bigger than ourselves, while science can show us the beauty and complexities of the natural world. Spiritual experiences may be a natural part of the human experience, and that there may be underlying neurological mechanisms that contribute to these experiences. They suggest that quantum phenomena could be the foundation of consciousness, allowing connections to exist outside of the physical world and perhaps providing an explanation for some spiritual experiences. Spirituality reminds us that there is more to the universe than mere physical matter and forces. Science can locate consciousness within the brain, but cannot explain its irreducible subjectivity and intelligence. But spirituality holds that awareness exists outside of and inside the material world. By embracing both approaches, we can gain a deeper appreciation of the complexity and beauty of the world around us and find meaning and purpose in our lives. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.